Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to create a chamfered door panel. Alright, let's get started. So as you can see, I am already inside my kitchen cabinet function and I have already dragged a kitchen cabinet out. Alright, so the next thing I would do is look for a super board, or you can call it a super plate. Okay, so this super plate is going to be your new door panel. Alright, so in order to adjust the dimensions, you can always click onto your kitchen cabinet door panel and check the sizing right over here. Alright, so we know the height is 676, the width is 397. Alright, so we can apply this onto our super board. Alright, so here's the tricky part. Okay, I'm not going to follow accordingly, like the width is 397. I'm not going to type in here 397. Alright, so I'm going to switch the dimensions around. So let me switch it first and then I'll explain to you why. So 676. Okay, so over here 676 for my width. Okay, so for my depth I'm gonna put 20. Okay, and for my height, okay, I'm gonna put, what is that, 397. Okay, so for my height I'm gonna put 397. Okay, so let me tell you why did I not change according to the width and the width. Alright, it is because I am going to chamfer the thinner part. Okay, I'm going to chamfer this part. Okay, so if let's say I follow accordingly, for the width I place 397 and I place it onto my superboard 397. Okay, and by the time when I go into my panel point editing, alright, and when I chamfer it, it's going to cut out this side. Alright, it's going to cut out this side, so you can have a clearer picture. Okay, so I'm actually doing a chamfered on the thinner side. That is why I'm switching the dimensions around. Okay, so right now I've already switched my dimensions around, so I can start clicking on B, go into board selection mode, right click, panel point editing, and as you can see, it directly cuts the thinner part, the thinner side of your door panel. So all I can do is just click on this dot, red dot, okay, and then I can select chamfer. Okay, so for this little thin dimension, it is 20, so I'm gonna just put key in 20 on my D1 and my D2 20. Alright, so once it's done, save, return. Alright, so right now as you can see, the chamfered part is right over here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I can click on the board and then I click X just to rotate it right up. Okay, and then I can click Z to adjust it higher. Okay, so right now I would like to delete two of my cabinet doors. Okay, same thing, Z to place it. Okay, adjust the placing according. Okay, so over here my elevation I'm gonna put 777. Alright, okay, so let me just adjust it into my cabinet, as you can see right over here. Okay, so place it nicely and neatly. Okay, so if let's say I would like to have another door, I can always just Control V. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, so right now when you copy and paste, your door panel will go right below it, so you can always just drag it right up here, place it accordingly. Elevation, I'm going to change it to the same as my left hand side, 777. Okay, so when I click on this thing, I can actually change this to 0. Okay, so right now I have my new door panel and it's chamfered on the top area. Okay, so if I would like to apply material onto the new door panel, I can always hold on to my control, select the both of them, right click. Okay, right now the material is not going to be a door material. Okay, it is a cabinet material because it is a super board, super plate. Okay, so select the material and choose. And for instance, if in future you would like to use back the same door panel, the same door chamfer panel, you can always group it up. Okay, so hold on to your control, select the both of the door panel, and then press Ctrl G. Okay, favorite it, and then click on confirm. Alright, so in future, if let's say you would like to use back the same door panel, you can always come right over here onto your favorite and drag the door panel right out. Okay, and if let's say you would like to resize them, you can always ungroup them. Okay, hold on to shift, select the both of this door panel, click on Ctrl B. Okay, so when you successfully ungroup, you may be able to change the dimensions. Alright, so this is how to create a chamfered door panel. Good luck trying, guys.